And how does being a part of the Pantheon portfolio kind of shape International Wire's strategy or capabilities that it may not have had as a standalone company?
Yeah, I think anytime that you are part of a group where the sum of the whole is greater than the individual company is a good thing. Pantheon has built an assemblance of companies that deliver an overarching solution in the electrification world. We do it in the copper space. So anything that's in the copper space that we can form, assemble, merge together that allows us to deliver more comprehensive solutions, that's a good thing. And as International Wow, we couldn't do that. We couldn't do all of the pieces of the puzzle. With Pantheon, we can cross-pollinate our customer conversations, bring to the larger, more global customers a solution-oriented approach versus just providing them products. So I think that's a really good thing.